So hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can do this effect. Make sure you have marked the beats on your audio. So we'll start by adding the clips into the timeline. Adjust the position and scale value according to your clip. To get these ruler on your preview window, make sure to go to view and click on show rulers. This will allow you to add rulers according to your clip. Now open your comp settings and remember what width and height you have used. We will use these values to calculate how much parts we want and add the rulers accurately. Now open your calculator, enter your width here. Divide by the number of parts you want, which is 8, so we get the value 135. Now right click and edit the ruler. Now enter your value there. So the first ruler has been set. Now for the second one, we'll write 135 into 2. And repeat the process for all the number of parts we want. Make sure no clip is selected in your timeline by clicking an empty area here. Now go to shape tool and create a shape like this. The rulers will help the shape snap into the correct dimension. Now once you are satisfied by the shape, you can simply click Ctrl D to duplicate it and move according to all the parts we have created. Make sure to trim your shape accordingly like I am doing. Once you have created all the shapes, pre-compose it. Now we need to duplicate the base clip. Now by default, the track mat column is hidden, so we need to show it. Right click the empty area, go to columns and select modes. Now link the first clip to the mask pre-comp we have created. Disable the second duplicate clip we created to see the effect in action. We need to add the flash to the effect. So now select the first clip that we linked to the mask. If you have this plugin, you can simply type tint, swap the colors. Now add keyframe when the effect appears so that it gives a flashing effect. Now copy the keyframes. Go to the next beat. Go one frame back and then paste. Now right click and add a solid layer. Now in the black solid layer, add the custom crop effect. I'll put a link in the description to this effect. You can download it for free. Just to make it look cleaner, I will remove all the unnecessary modes. I only need the left effect, so I'll keep it that. Now add a keyframe at every beat and change the value so that the effect looks like this. Now link the second duplicate clip to the black solid. Be sure to enable the clip or else you won't see this effect. You can change the layer if you think the effect is going out of sync. I hope you all like this video and I'll catch you in the next one.